Hi, my friends. Good morning. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. I hope you're happy too. It's a beautiful morning outside. Let's talk about our calendar. It's May 2020. Guys, let's look at our month. What month is it? What month? May. Can you help me spell May? Look, M-A Why? May. What year is it? 2020. Let's look through our days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is today? Did you say Monday? You're right. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. Today is the 18th day of May. So what number are we going to count to today? 18. Ready? Start with 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop! We reached 18. If we look, we have just about 2 weeks left of May, and then we'll be in June. Ready? So let's look. Next Monday is a special holiday. We have no school. Even though we're doing school from home anyway. I hope you guys get to enjoy your Memorial Day and think about all the important heroes. We'll talk about that next week, though. All right. So if we look outside, what's the weather? Did you say sunny? I heard it was supposed to be rainy this week, but looking outside, it's nice and sunny, and the sky is blue. I don't even see clouds. I'm hoping that it stays sunny. It's been beautiful. We had a beautiful, nice, sunny, and warm weekend. Did you guys enjoy your weekends? I hope so. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, friends.